We're testing the throttle position sensor on this 2004 Expedition. Our throttle position sensor is right here on the side of the throttle body. We're using a T-pin like this to back probe into the connector. Our ignition switch is in the on position right now. We're going to verify that all three of our wires are doing what they're supposed to. One wire should have 5-volt reference. The other one should be ground, and then our third wire will be our signal. So we've probed into the top one here. There's our 5-volt reference. Okay, signal's usually in the middle, so I'm going to jump down to the bottom one right here and see if it's ground and if it's a good ground. Yep, there's our ground. Looks like it has good ground. Okay, and now we're going to probe into the middle one and make sure we're getting good signal. So just sitting here with key on with the throttle closed, we should be about 1 volt. Check my T-pin here. Always doubt your T-pin before you doubt the sensor. Okay, there we go. So we're about 1 volt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open and close the throttle to make sure that it's a smooth signal as we do that. So here we go. That's me opening it, closing it. We'll do that again. There's wide open. And then slowly going back down. Notice it's a nice smooth signal. It's not jumping around too much. So that throttle position sensor looks pretty good as far as I can tell with a multimeter. A more accurate way of testing this would be to use a picoscope or another brand of oscilloscope that can see things real time with higher sampling rates.